What is the sum of x plus 7 and negative 4x minus 5? We have x plus 7 plus negative 4x minus 5. We need to add and combine like terms. Thus, x minus 4x, that is negative 3x. The sign is negative because 4 is greater than 1. Positive 7 minus 5, that is positive 2. Therefore, the sum of x plus 7 and negative 4x minus 5 is equal to negative 3x plus 2. The answer is letter D. Item number 46. To help her family, Angelica is selling kakanin before she goes to school. She sells pichi-pichi and bibingka at 10.50 and 12.75 pesos per slice, respectively. Her total earnings today is 389.25. If she sold more pichi-pichi than bibingka, what is the total number of kakanin sold? The problem here is to find the total number of kakanin sold by Angelica. It says here that the total earnings she had is 389.25. So let T be the total earnings of Angelica, which is 389.25. Let X be the number of pichi-pichi sold by Angelica, which is not yet found, and Y as the number of bibingka sold by Angelica. The pichi-pichi cost 10.50 pesos. So let C sub 1 be the cost of the pichi-pichi, which is 10.50. Let C sub 2 be the cost of bibingka, which is 12.75 pesos. Now, we can create an equation out of this given, and since the total number or the total earnings of Angelica for selling pichi-pichi and bibingka, which is 389.25, 389.25 is the total earnings, equals, it is equal to the total number of kakanin sold by Angelica times the price of each kakanin sold. So, if X is the bibingka, and if X is the pichi-pichi and it costs 10.50 pesos, so that is 10.50 pesos times the number of pichi-pichi sold by Angelica, which is X. Now, this is plus, since this is a total number, therefore, we added the total number of sold pichi-pichi and bibingka. So, bibingka cost 12.75 pesos. So, that is plus 12.75 times the number of bibingka sold, which is Y. We don't know yet what is the number of pichi-pichi sold and the number of bibingka sold. We can use the given choices in order to answer this equation. So, I have previously solved this kind of problem, and I came up with the answer that is letter C, which is 36. There are 36 total number of kakanin sold by Angelica. Now, how can we prove that there is really 36 total number of kakanin sold by Angelica? All right. If there are 36 total number of kakanin sold, we have to find numbers that when added is equal to 36. But we need to satisfy the given condition where pichi-pichi, the sold pichi-pichi is greater than the sold bibingka. So, we need to let x be greater than y. So, what are the numbers that when added is equal to 36? It could be 1 plus 35. Could be 34 plus 2. But here, our x is greater than y. Therefore, we can find numbers for x that is greater than y. Let's say x is 31. X is 31. And the remaining number is 36 minus 31 is 5. 31 and 5. It could these numbers will satisfy this condition where 31 is greater than 5 or x is greater than y. Now, we can substitute these values to the formulated equation earlier. Okay, let me rewrite the equation. So we have 31 and 5. Let x equals 31. Let y equals 5. The equation was the price of pichi-pichi, which is 10.50, times the number of pichi-pichi sold, which is x, plus the price of bibingka, which is 12.75, times the number of bibingka sold, which is y, is equal to 389.25. We have to prove if this is really the values of x and y to satisfy the given condition. If it is really equal to 389.25. Now, we can substitute the value of x to the equation. So, we have 10.50 and x is 31 plus 12.75 times the value of y, which is 5. Is it equal to 389.25? Alright. 10.50 times 31, that is 325.5 plus 12.75 times 5, that is 63 89.75. Is it equal to 389.25? Okay. Add 325.5 plus 63.75. That is 389.25. 389.25 is equal to 389.25. Therefore, our answer is correct. The value of x is 31 and the value of y is 5. It means that the total number of of pichi-pichi sold in that particular day by Angelica is 31 pieces, and the number of bibingka sold by that particular day by Angelica is 5 pieces. And when we add the price times the total number, if we multiply the price and the total number of bibingka plus the price and the total number of, this is pichi-pichi plus the price of bibingka times the number of bibingka sold is equal to 389.25. According to the choices, 36, this is 36 when we add. So since we are looking for the total number of kakanin sold, that is 36. So that is letter C.